And here we go. Here is the Blendjet. I can't wait to test this out. Blendjet, if you're watching and you want to send me a cut, then hey, send it my way. Hey team, welcome to today's video and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Hayden. It has been a while since I've done any other kind of review other than skincare. But that's what we're doing today. We're going to take a little bit of a dip into the tech world once again with this product or this thing that I saw on Instagram. I saw it quite a few times, so I thought, you know what? I do like to try new things, and this is in line with what my channel's all about. So health on the outside and the inside. So let's give it a go. What do we have here? I actually believe this is the Blendjet I've been waiting for to be delivered. Now it has taken a couple of weeks to get here. Well, let's just hope it's worth the wait. Here it is out of the box. It has seen better days in its shipping. You can see it's been dinted a little bit on its travels. It's multiple week-long travels, and that kind of looks open. He's hoping it's not used or damaged on the inside. Excuse the noise, that is my computer firing up. I just did a deep clean. Let's open it up to see what we actually get on the inside. Now I saw this on, the reason I purchased this is I saw an advert on it pop up on my Instagram feed quite a few times, so it kind of piqued my interest. I've jumped in, I've had a look at it every now and again, and I haven't actually made the jump. It wasn't super expensive, it was around 50 bucks in total, and then of course you got shipping on top of that. It says it's portable, powerful, USB rechargeable, and self-cleaning. Just add water, soap, and blend. Rinse and you're ready to go. Like I said before, it does look like it's been battered and a little opened, so let's hope it's not damaged on the inside. I did get the green one, and here we go. Here is the Blendjet. It's quite weighty, to be honest. Interesting. It came with some charge already. So it's got the charge cable and what looks to be the little manual. And of course, safe packaging on the inside, the bubble wrap. I do like the mint green color. I'm assuming this is a screw top. Yes, it is. It's a screw top. At first I thought this was glass, but it's a reinforced plastic. I believe this comes off. It does. Well, there you go. Good safety feature. I've taken the container apart, and it won't actually allow you to use the blender, as you can see, because this is off and it's been unlocked from this little lock position. I can't wait to test this out. Even though it did come with a little bit of charge, it does say in the manual right here, there's 6 steps to your first blend at the top. Number 1, charge your Blendjet with the included USB cable for 1 hour or until you see a solid blue circle. Number 2, ensure the arrows on the rear of the jar and base are aligned like we just discovered. Number 3, clean your Blendjet by blending water with a drop of soap, then rinse. Number 4, add liquid first, then throw in your solids, don't overfill. Okay. I wonder if you can take it all the way up to the top line right here. Number 5, tighten the lid and press the power button to blend for 1 20-second cycle. Number 6, enjoy your blended creation. Remember to repeat step 3 after each use, which was clean your Blendjet by blending water with a drop of soap, then rinse. Interesting, they've got Blendjet smoothie recipes that come in little sachets. They're called jet packs. Make a delicious, nutritious juice bar quality smoothie anytime, anywhere. I don't think I'll be doing that. I kind of just want to do my own. It says on the back here, powering up. You'll see there are different colors that come around here. 4 different color types. Zero charge is a mixture of blue and red dots. Solid blue is, or a faded blue is 50% charge. Solid blue is full charge. And then the red, like we said before, blades are blocked or the case is open. 3 modes: blend mode, pulse mode, and lock mode. All right, I'm gonna charge this up for an hour or until I see the little blue solid light, and we're gonna have a go. You saw just then, I took the Blendjet to work with me, and that was because I had already finished filming for the day and I didn't really want to go and make a smoothie. So I thought I was going to work the next day anyway, so I may as well take along with me and I can see it live in action. Since then, it's been 2 weeks since I actually filmed that. I've also used it with nuts, so I've blended up almonds, I've put ice in it, frozen fruit, obvious protein powder, and normal fruit, so the fresh kind, and it has whizzed it all up perfectly, absolutely perfectly. The charge seems to last quite a while. I haven't actually have it run out of a battery yet, and I do charge it once a week, and I take it, obviously I only use it once when I'm at work. Monday to Friday I will use it for my lunch, or if I've had an exceptionally hard workout, I'll use it for protein shake afterwards. But I've not actually experienced having the charge run out as yet. Since I've been taking it to work, so many other people have been watching or been experiencing me using it. And Blendjet, if you're watching and you want to send me a cut, then hey, send it my way. Because so many of my colleagues and friends are now jumping on the Blendjet wagon. And they're going off for, especially for Christmas, to get their loved ones, their kids, themselves, one as well. The biggest pro about the Blendjet is just how portable it is. You don't have to worry about all the different attachments. You don't have an extremely weighty machine that's weighing down a bag and it's taking up additional space. It literally is the same size as a water bottle. You put it in your bag and off you go. Let's talk about the cleaning. Now, it 100% is true to its word. All you really need to do is put a drop of soap, fill it up with water, and turn it on, and away you go. It whizzes it up like it's some kind of a milkshake, and then when you tip it out and rinse it, all I've been doing is I don't even pull it apart. I only pull it apart if I've used something that's super sticky like avocado or mango or passion fruit. I just leave it all done up after I've washed it out, and I put it upside down in the dish rack in the kitchen to let it dry out, and it's good to go straight after. I'm gonna link it down below if you wanna check it out yourself. Once again, like I said at the start of this is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to try this out because I do love my smoothies and I like to have lunch on the go. Sometimes I don't want to take food with me because I know, with me to work, because I know I'm going to be too busy with meetings or classes, etc. So this is a beautiful, beautiful compromise for me to make sure I'm still getting the food, the things that I need, and I'm enjoying it and it's convenient. Thanks for watching, team. I will see you soon.